Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can send or transfer crypto in Exodus wallet. So the first step that you have to do is to open the Exodus application. And then from here, just go ahead and tap on the Bitcoin since that's where we're going to be transferring. So in here, you will see the right button. So that will be the receiving. And then the left is for sending. So now we're just going to click on this left button. So in here, you just have to paste here the wallet address. So in order to get the wallet address, you just have to go to any wallet and then copy the wallet address. So I'm just going to go to the Binance, and then from here, you will see this Bitcoin wallet address. So I'm just going to copy this one. And once I'm done copying this one, I'm just going to go back to Exodus. And so in here, you just have to paste the wallet address. Now, once you're done pasting the wallet address, you just have to input here the amount that you're going to be sending. So I'm just going to swap to USD on the right side. So I'm just going to click on this one. And then I'm just going to put here $20. So once you're done, just go ahead and tap on enter. And then the last step is to tap on the send button at the bottom. So that's pretty much it. That's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!